Hey, hi all. This is Sumit. In this session, we'll learn about the TBox automation tool, TBox delete file. This module removes a file from specific directory. Let's go to the Tosca. In the module section, inside the standard modules, you will find one folder called as TBox automation tool. Inside that folder, there is one more folder called as file operation. And from that, you will find a TBox delete file. Let me create one folder here called as delete file inside the test case section, and I'm just dragging and dropping the module inside the test case section. And here I'm just renaming the test case, and if you see here, there are two attributes of this module. First one is directory, second one is file. The directory is part to the directory which includes the file to be deleted, and the action mode is input. And for the file, name of the file to be deleted and the action mode is input. So let's navigate to the file. This is my file. I'm just copying the path of that file and paste it inside the directory, and removing the double quotes and give the file name here as test. And now let me run the test case. See, the file is deleted and the test case executed successfully. Go back to that directory, and here is no test file is there. Okay, this module can delete the particular file which is present inside the directory. Yeah, that's what about the TBox delete file. Thank you.